Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made throughout the week. If you have any questions or you want to see more pictures or details about any of the things I share, in the description box below will be links to all the blog posts or videos where I originally shared my creations. So let me move things out of the way and we will get started. It was a very busy week this week. Excuse me. And lots of fun for sure. All right. We started off the week with a new stamp of the month at Craft and Kimmy. This is Cuddle Up. When you spend $75 before shipping and tax, Cuddle Up can be yours while supplies last. And there's the inside. Such a cute little baby penguin. Just adore that. Next up was the Saturday challenge at Craft and Kimmy, and it was embossing. I used the Kitty Capers stamp set for that, and an embossing folder, and some paper from Whimsy Stamps. And there's the inside of that one. All right, next up was the video hop for Not Too Shabby with the new box of the month. I did a previous sheet load for my cards. Have them every other way so that they will stack better, and I used some ephemera from the kit. So fun with those owls, just adorable. And on the inside of those, it does say Merry Christmas. So there's those. Let me get. Next up was the sheet load of cards. Oh, I could do those out of the orders. I think sheet load was before the box. No, I don't know. It doesn't matter. And I did three cards of 3 designs. I have that Thanks a Ton. There's the inside of those. I have Recover Rapidly. Inside of those. And then I have Happy Birthday Cupcake. And the inside of those. Another great month of sheet load, but really has there ever been a bad month of sheet load? And then I was in Kendra's Card Challenge 8 hop with this cute cow from Ink and Splatter along with the papers from Ink and Splatter. And then on the inside there, so adorable and so fun. And then I had a Halloween card for my group. There's a stamp for that. We have a month-long challenge of autumn or Halloween. Or we had a challenge for the last 2 weeks that was Clean and Simple or Donuts or Autumn. The new one will start tomorrow, but we do have a month-long challenge every month now, and so that is Autumn or Halloween. This is a digital image from Connie Fong. Just so sweet. That little cat there. Adorable. Then I shared last Saturday for World Card Making Day, Sweet November Stamps had a freebie of this cutie and the sentiments, and so I had made this card on Saturday, but I finally got a chance to share it on Wednesday. What they call a package, we call a Happy Meal. I'm really into making freckles. I made freckles on her. And then there's the inside. She's so much fun and she just makes me smile. And if Karen C is watching, she has named her Josie. Her name in the store is World Card Making Cutie number 4 though. So there you go, Karen C. There's the Josie card. And then I have embraced my holiday spirit. I used to not like to make holiday cards. The pressure was too much and everything. But I'm finding that I have quite the collection of holiday stamps and I'm really starting to enjoy them more. So every Sunday, Craft and Kimmy has a Christmas challenge, and so I'm going to try to start playing along with that when I can. I did a coloring video this, but can you see the sparkle and shine that I added after the coloring? Because the challenge this week was Sparkle and Shine. And this is Treat Yourself. Hope your holiday is merry and bright. And there's the inside. I really like how he turned out. And then I ended the week with this card. I also had a coloring video for it. But this was to announce that I am now part of the Build Your Holiday Stash Card Makers team. Every month there's a sketch for you to follow and to inspire you. And then super exciting, in 2 weeks we'll have a holiday linky party with lots of chances to win lots of prizes. So that's fun. So this was my card I created for that, using that Power Poppy Cozy Cupfuls. And there's the inside of that. So there are my creations from the week. Again, it was a super busy week, but it was all just so much fun. I have quite the collection to put away now. They're all kind of mumble jumbled. But anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope that you have had a good week, a good crafty week. And until my next video, have an amazing day and go get crafty. Thanks for stopping by.